Welcome to our English class. In the previous class, we heard about a chirpy 10-year-old boy named Arrow. He was interested in music. His parents were very poor and they didn't have enough money to give him a training. His best friend Pindu gave him a toy violin which he got from a dustbin. Arrow was very happy about that. He started to play. We saw that it was a lovely music. So we will continue with the balance story. Children, now take page number 103 and listen carefully. In a few minutes, Arrow began to move the bow faster over the wire, and the air was suddenly full of happy music. So, Arrow began to move the bow faster. So, earlier it was a bird singing from far away. He was moving the bow very slowly, that is why. Now, he began to move the bow faster over the wire, and the air was suddenly full of happy music. Stop it, said Pindu, who had started dancing. Pindu had already started dancing. He was enjoying. What will the teachers say? When the teachers hear the sound, what will they say? Pindu is worried. Arrow's eyes were shining. He was very happy. I am going to play this violin at the concert. So, what do you mean by concert? Concert means a public performance of music, a music program, that is concert. The concert was in the school hall. What do you mean by school hall? We used to say auditorium or indoor stadium. So it was in the school hall. Arrow's item was the last. When the children saw the toy violin in Arrow's hands, they began to laugh. They began to tease him. Arrow smiled and put his finger to his lips. Listen, he said. He was very confident. Though the children teased him, he did not give up. He was very much confident. So he told them, listen. When he drew the bow over the wire, such sweet sound came from the violin that all the whispering stopped. When he started to play the violin, a sweet sound came from the violin and all the whispering, they were teasing, they were telling about the toy violin. So all those whispering stopped. It was a sweet music. Everybody leaned forward to hear the lovely music. When they heard the music, they leaned forward. That means they put forward their head to to listen to the music. The bow in Arrow's hands was moving faster now. It was moving faster now. The little boy looked down and tapped his feet. So he was enjoying. He started to tap his feet. Suddenly, the hall was filled with happy sounds and everybody jumped up. All were happy. They were enjoying. When they heard the music, they jumped up. There was cheering and clapping and laughing and stamping and waving and dancing. So children were cheering him, laughing, stamping, waving and dancing. And Arrow kept on playing. He was playing the music. The principal was smiling. The principal was very happy. A man next to him said, I have never heard anything like this. This boy is very talented. I have never heard anything like this. The man held up a camera and shot a video of Arrow playing. The man shot a video of Arrow playing. So that much only. How was the story? It was very interesting, isn't it? Now we can see Arrow became famous, isn't it? Now let us discuss question answers. Look at the fourth question. What did the violin sound like when Arrow first played? What did the violin sound like when Arrow first played it. When Arav first played it, it sounded like a bird singing from far away, isn't it? When Arav first played this music, it sounded like a bird singing from far away. Fifth one, no need to write in the notebook, okay? Children, take page number 110, exercise F. See how we can change around the letters of a word to make a new word. Eat. Spelling is E-A-T. So we use same spelling to make a new another word, that is T. Pot, top. This hits. Part, trap. Read, deer. Late, tail. The same spelling we use the same spelling to make another word. Okay. So filling the blanks with new words made from the words in brackets. In brackets some words are given. So use those spelling to make another word. So read the sentence carefully. First one, hurry. We will be late. Hurry. We will be dash for school. In bracket, tail. So we use same spelling and the word is late. Hurry. We will be late for school. First one, my grandfather has a long beard. So what will be? My grandfather has a long beard. Okay. Second one, I like to dash my dog tricks. Here, C-H-E-A-T spelling. So use those spelling. What will be the answer? I like to teach. T-E-A-C-H. I like to teach my dog tricks. So balance you do yourself. Answers I will send in the next video class. Okay. Then here let us write. What is the difference between picture A and picture B? Write out your answer. So you have to write. It is a writing activity. You have to look picture A and picture B. You have to look picture A and picture B. So you have to find out what is the difference between picture A and picture B. One example is given. In picture A, an aeroplane is flying in the sky. In picture B, birds are flying in the sky. It is an interesting writing activity, isn't it? So in picture A, aeroplane is flying in the sky. In picture B, there is no aeroplane. Who is flying? Birds are flying in the sky, isn't it? So just look in the picture A and picture B and find out the difference and write like this. Picture A so and so and picture B so and so. This is a writing activity. You have to look and write in complete sentences. So this also for your homework. Okay. So complete your exercises. Study well. Study well for the exam. Thank you.